Hello guys, what's up? I'm here to practice and using to do some kind of a question that in Khali job in the Khali book is very nice. So I'm using a fuzzy for 10 minutes the service that Sunny in Aurora service has has been pretty nice. Well, I'm doing um, like less than a minute, almost in 3% for speed. It's a pretty nice place to level, but I don't know how to do the explosion, the question, the ultimate attack of Khali, and I'm doing this for a gameplay because already I think it's almost in 2 weeks I don't do another video in my channel. So Khali is a pretty nice job. I'm doing this before the reset. If the reset is coming to close almost, I don't know if I have to use like a rush. It's not a rush. I think this is insanity 3 here. We can use in the for attacks and in expiring like a rushing entire map here, like the floor. If you want to be doing this, I don't know how I have to do because I'm doing some attacks very I don't because I don't know how to play this one. I haven't just created it before, but it's a pretty nice job, and I hope so to clear this in the next week or at least in 2 weeks to clear everything that Khali has to us. But I think I'm going to pass it on 2 and 30 a while because there is a 19 days to receive an gift, and I have to kill almost 2k of monsters per day. Is this dailies we can do after level 200, but let's go, let's improve in that. That's all. I think it's not hard to play. Khali, I guess it's less than 4 hours playing because I have pretty nice and equips because I have funded this one before. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.